Are you looking for some solar lights with timeless and classic beauty? I'm Sarah with WTI, and I couldn't be more happy with this 8-pack of solar pathway lights from Ahaorigin. I love that these lights have adjustable height. I was able to use 6 of these along my pathway lower to the ground, and then I put 2 taller ones that illuminate my porch stairs. They were very simple to put together. You simply choose the height that you want, flip the switch to on, remove the film over the solar panel, and place them where you'd like for them to shine. I was impressed by how strong the solar panel is. I've had other solar lights in the past, and I've had trouble charging them because my walkway is partway under a tree, but these solar lights will last all night long on just a few hours of charging. I like the brightness of these lights. They are bright enough to illuminate the walkway so that no one is tripping, but they're not overwhelmingly bright. And they cover an impressive amount of area for such a small light. I was able to easily put these into the ground, and I love that they're stable even through heavy winds and thunderstorms. So if you're looking for a beautiful way to light up your walkway, garden, or driveway with zero effort, then I think these solar lights from Ahaorigin are the ones that you're looking for. And that's my point of view.